In Duwamish Valley and the surrounding communities, there are lots of students in public school, just like me. What if there was a new way for us to learn, not just at our desks, but beyond the walls of the classroom? A way that shows us how to use the things we learn in our lives outside of school and in our future careers. A way to connect with our environment and each other. A way to work with our hands and our minds to build a brighter future. Not just for ourselves, but for the whole community and generations to come. What if there was a way to do all that at school? Well, at Maritime High School, there is a way. In fact, the possibilities are endless. Maritime studies are as vast and expansive as the ocean. Imagine marine science projects that allow us to work with the world around us. Climate science projects where we gather important data that support solutions to important problems like stormwater runoff. Imagine engineering projects where we work together to design, build, or even repair a boat. Imagine all of us working together to raise the sails and hit the open sea. Imagine new ways to solve problems that actually make problem solving seem kind of fun. With project-based learning, we're not just working together, we're building a community. From shore-based marine science like studying microplastics and wetland restoration, to boat-based projects like working on engines and radar systems, students at Maritime High School are capable of anything. I know it will take lots of hard work to achieve all of my goals, and there will be ups and downs along the way. But I know I can persevere. Maybe I'll be a college student studying marine engineering. Maybe a captain at the helm of my own ship. Maybe a community leader sharing what I've learned with others. Imagine breaking generational cycles and sailing forward into an innovative future, because anything is possible as long as you can imagine it first. At Maritime High School, we move beyond imagination and into reality. We move beyond the classroom and into the natural world, which gives life to everything we do. We move beyond what's conventional and into what's possible. When tangible skill sets meet real-life opportunities, anything is possible. At Maritime High School, we value inclusion and champion equity, and together, we build community, where everyone is welcome, everyone succeeds.